for comb my hair and wash my face, take a shower and wash my hands. I go to kitchen for help my mom to cook a breakfast. Other than we eat a breakfast together, and my mom helped me to put a t-shirt and shorts. Other than my mom and dad take me to a school, and I play with my friends in school. Now my mom and dad take me to playground, and it's raining, so my mom and dad have to take a jacket put my body, so a rain cannot stop, and I don't have no stop.
Touch. Oh yes, running nose.
Yeah.
Yes.
And my mom and dad take me to our home,
Yes.
and I help my mom to cook a dinner.
Yes.
Other than I finish a dinner to cook, I eat a dinner with my dad and mom.
Yes.
And we all watch TV,
Yes.
play a game. We finish play game and watch TV. We go to take a shower, brush my teeth, and I put my pajamas in my shirt
Body.
body, and I jump to bed for listen a story. And my mom read story for me. And other than a mom's story is finished, my mom say good night. My mom go and I say to my mom, good night, mom.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Sky. Sky. Bye bye.